Good morning, Year 2. Today is Fabulous Friday and is actually the last session about temperature. It's only been a short chapter. Now, as with all our other chapters, when we finish them, we like to do a review. So we're going to do some review questions, and I'd like you to do them as independently as you can without the help of an adult. But of course, if you need them to read something, then that's absolutely fine. And maybe at the end, you can go through the answers together and discuss them rather than work them out together. So question 1, find the temperature of the water in each cup and fill in the blanks. I'm going to leave the screen on question A before we move on, so you have a chance to look carefully at the temperature the thermometer shows and fill in the answers. Pause the video if you need longer. Moving on to question B. Look closely at what the temperature says. Use your knowledge about the number system and place value and write down your answer. And question C. Look carefully at the cup, there might be a clue to help you. Okay, moving on to question D. Question E. And question F. Okay, so for question 2, you have to circle the correct answer. A. The temperature of the hot tea is about 40 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius. So this is using your knowledge about estimating. Is it closer to 40 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius? Question B. The temperature of the glass of lemonade is about 20 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius. And question C. The temperature of the grilled fish is about 40 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius. Question 3. This is where you need to read the temperature on the thermometers and fill in the blanks. A. The temperature of the ice cream is about how many degrees Celsius? Question B. The temperature in the room is about how many degrees Celsius? Try and read that one as accurately as you can. And question C. The temperature of the glass of milk is about how many degrees Celsius? Again, I want precise temperature. Now, question 4, you have to fill in the blanks to lots of questions about these 3 bowls of soup. I would suggest you write down the temperature of bowl A, bowl B, and bowl C first before you answer the questions. Then you don't have to keep going back and looking at the temperature and the thermometer, you've already written it down. So spend a few moments reading the temperature on those thermometers and making a note of it in your book. Now use those temperatures and that knowledge and that information to have a go at answering these questions. A. The temperature of the water in bowl A is about how many degrees Celsius? B. The temperature of the water in bowl B is about how many degrees Celsius? C. The temperature of the water in bowl C is about how many degrees Celsius? D. The temperature of the water in bowl something is the lowest. E. The temperature of the water in the bowl something is the highest. And question F, can you arrange the bowls of water from the hottest to the coolest? Now, I know Year 2s love a challenge in their maths, and at the end of each chapter we like to have a go at a mind workout, which makes us think about what we've learnt in slightly different ways. So have a go at this mind workout, and pause the video so you can read the questions if you need to. Elliot wants to find out the temperature in his house and outside his house at different times of the day. He has recorded the following temperature readings: 14 degrees Celsius, 18 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Celsius, 16 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, and 8 degrees Celsius. Based on that information, can you fill in the blanks on the table below? There are 4 clues there to help you. As I said, pause the video to give yourself some time to work through this question. And to finish your maths for this week, have a go at this maths journal activity. We've got 4 words in 4 different colours: hot, cold, cool, and warm. Can you write down one temperature to show what those words mean? Have a go at drawing that temperature or colouring that temperature that you decide is cold, or a hot temperature, or a warm temperature, or a cool temperature, using the colour red to show the mercury. Here's an example of Lulu's journal. She's got 4 different thermometers, she's got the 4 different words, and all she needs to do is give me an example of what a cold temperature might be and what it looks like on a thermometer. The same for hot, warm and cold. And then talk to your adult when you've finished about if you now know how to read a thermometer and measure and write down the temperature. You might discuss with your adult something that you're still struggling with a little bit. Write that down as well. I would love to hear what you're still struggling with, so when we get back to school we know what to work on next. Thank you for a wonderful week of maths. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you again next week for some more learning about different types of measurements. Bye!